Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am in a hurry this morning. I am in a hurry. I don't have anywhere to go, but I'm still in a hurry. I'll show you a picture of what I look like when I woke up this morning. I am in a hurry. Thank you again, subscribers, just thank you for your support, your comments. I did a video recently, and I tell you what, it was interesting to see that when I showed you what I did after I did my hair, that some people almost forgot that I did my hair at the beginning of the video. But that's okay. Thank you for watching. I just want you to see what I'm going to do with my hair today. If you're watching this video though, and you are not a subscriber, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll see every time I upload a video. I am in a hurry today because my husband woke up this morning and we were reading our devotion, and shortly afterwards he said, you know what, I feel like some bacon, eggs, and grits. Okay. Well, a lot of times we would just jump up, get dressed, and go out and get some breakfast. But this past week, we ate out a lot. We ate at P.F. Chang's. We ate at a place called Phoenix, because we were in Greensboro, North Carolina. Among other places where we ate. So we were spending money. And not only that, I felt like I should go ahead and make this man some breakfast. But he always knows the breakfast food that's in there. So he got up and I said, okay, do we have bacon? And he came back and said, nope, we don't. So he is on his way out now to get some bacon. And I want to look a little bit different when my husband comes back from the store. And that's why I am in a hurry. And I put these Bantu knots in over 24 hours ago. And you guys, I'm loving the way my hair is coming out. And I already know that I'm going to do this again. I was able to sleep in these Bantu knots for 2 nights. You saw that my hair was wrapped in a colorful scarf. And I had my hair wrapped when I went out. Once it was in a white scarf. And then I changed it. And then I changed it again when my husband asked me if I wanted to go for a ride with him. So we've been spending some time together, and it's been really, really good. And I want him to know that I appreciate him. And so today, I am getting ready to make our breakfast. But breakfast, especially because he wants to have breakfast. And he made a special request. And we don't have to go out for that. And we won't. And so I want to have a different look for him when he comes home as well. Because that matters. Even after being married, let's see how long we've been married. 44 years. It matters to me. The way I look. And the way I present myself to him. Yes, I love my husband a lot. I think most people that know me know that already. And so doing things that please him is important to me. So today, I'm cooking breakfast. And I'm loving the way these Bantu knots are coming out. I don't know if I'm going to separate them any more than they are right now this morning. or I'll just let it fall the way it's falling. I think I'm just going to let it fall the way it's falling. I really like that it's stretched and it gives me a wonderful wave. And I sprayed it, and I think that, well, I don't know about that frizz thing, guys, until I'm not going to speak prematurely about whether or not that Shea Moisture spray I used on my hair made a big difference on my frizz until I get to the top of my hair. Yeah. But this is how this Bantu knot is coming out. Oh yeah. Can't nobody tell me nothing. So I would certainly recommend you doing Bantu knots. They're easy to sleep in. That is if you don't do them too tight, and I didn't do these very tight. So just look at that. Yeah, I just couldn't wear them out in public. I had to do a wrap on my hair. And there it is. My hair is done. And now, my 360. Yes. And I'm not really wearing my outfit of the day yet. What I'm wearing is one of my house dresses, and usually my house dress is kind of cute. It is kind of cute. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. I love my husband. But I especially love God. Because my God is awesome. He's great. He's good. He's wonderful. God is marvelous. God is quite amazing. And he's even more than that. God is bigger than that. And I want you to know that. And if you don't know that for yourself, then I'm going to suggest that you get to know him. And you will feel the same way that I do. Because God is no respecter of persons. Have a great day. Have a marvelous day. I did a little extra something because I will be in the kitchen for a short period of time. So I just put this part of my hair back, took one of these pins, and tucked it there. And that was it.